Okay, I'm carrying on again today. Busy day. So as you saw, what's going on here? I'm mixing it up. Made this juice today. Orange, ginger, bell pepper, and apple. Was it apple in here? Oh man, gotta check up. No, carrots. Carrot, orange, bell pepper, and ginger. That's that. And I was saying that if you need to add, the next thing you need to add if you have is turmeric. Fresh turmeric. And then we did apple ginger and beetroot. And yeah, you can put turmeric as well on this one. And maybe the last one we're gonna do is cucumbers. I've got cucumbers. I've got 3 apples, green apples. And of course, kale. Or spinach if you have spinach. I prefer to juice kale. Spinach, I put it on my smoothies. Oh man, I have to do smoothies. Because my smoothies are always like chocolate. So, yeah, mostly banana, sea moss, coconut milk, peanut butter, dates, sometimes flax seeds on it. And then I drink that, a lot of chocolate, cocoa, raw cocoa. It's very nice. Put some ice on it, spice it up. And this, children love this juice, guys. Give your children this drink. It's really good. It's good for them. Okay, green juice. Comes out red. It's because I didn't clean the motor. I just cleaned the outside only. So that's green. Apple. Kale. You can use pineapple if you have pineapple. I have, but I won't use it today. Maybe the day after this. This should last us 2 days. Today and tomorrow. Yes, my dear. Go in there. Use that, darling. Potty. Teenagers don't want green juice, apparently. I've offered, especially the boy won't have it. The girl can, so they don't want it. So I have to start them early. Give them before they're teenagers. Give them green juice. Start them early. Those escaped. Come back here. You come back here. I'll eat you. Okay. I love kale, I love kale, I love kale. Sorry guys. Sorry. Demi. I'm a cow. I'm turning to a cow. I'm turning to a cow. I'm turning. I am a cow, Dalo. I'm turning into a cow. I can't sing that in there. I'm no piggy. No, I'm not piggy. Use your hands. God. Jesus Christ. Use your hands. Get in there. Get all of it. One jumped in there. Pick it up with your hands. They will wash. It's gotta be done. Gotta wash my hands now. Hey, hard work, I tell you. One escaped there. Oh my Lord. Green juice is gonna go on my laptop. That would not be funny. I'm recording for a laptop today because everything else is just dying on me. It doesn't want me to do these videos. My cameras or my phone today is working. Okay, one more time. We all set. Done. Finally. I've never juiced watermelon, and that's green today. It's not good looking green because it's got some red in it, but it's gonna taste good. It's gonna taste good. I know that. You are done? Just give me a minute then, baby, okay? I'm gonna pause everybody. The queen has called. Okay. Yes, we are back. So we've got our green juice. We've got 2 cups out of it. 2 cups. So we've got our little girl here. She's like, I will taste again. I will taste it. Yes. What is this one? Green juice. Oh. Just pop this baby. I can't put it on. I can't put it on.
Why are you recording?
Recording, yes. So what is this again?
Green juice.
Green juice. Yeah. Who's gonna are you gonna taste it?
Yeah.
How does it taste like?
Green juice.
Like a green juice.
Yeah.
Okay, is it yummy?
Yeah.
Sweet, isn't it? It's green tongue. Right?
Yeah.
Green tongue.
I like green tongue.
You do have a green tongue?
Look.
It's green. Green. Yum, yum. Okay.
Nope.
That's nice, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's that for today. But I'm thinking of doing this one. I've never juiced this. I've always eaten it. Okay. Thank you very much. I'll see if I'm gonna juice that one as well. So yeah, it's been long juice. We're gonna end up being juice drunk. Anyway, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. It is appreciated. That's my green juice, which is kale, cucumber, apples. Oh, I should add my ginger on it. And ginger. That's how I add my ginger. It's there. Let's taste it now. Do you think it's gonna taste different now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you taste ginger in there?
Yeah.
I can too, I bet. Yes. It's a thumbs up. It's a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. I've got a YouTube channel. And I've got my page, Facebook page. For me and Naledi. Naledi's having problems with recording her game. So we're trying to sort that one out there. But the page is for Nene and Mommy. So I do my things. She does her things. Thank you. She's at school at the moment. Bye.